Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the T key. When I'm in the Sketch tab, pressing the T key will allow me to add text, annotate my sketch. So, for example, I'm in the Sketch tab of X28. I'm going to quickly hit Shift-Enter to get rid of the other windows, so I just have my sketch here. Then I'm going to hit the T key, and as you can see, it loads up this cursor here of text. And so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to say source of loss. And I'm going to hit OK, and now I have text. I can move it around as I see fit. I can tab it using Shift-Tab as we've done before. And I have used the T key to quickly annotate my text. This has been another Hotkey highlight, short and sweet for you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.